Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Big Data Hands-on Training, and this is APACHE. So today I'm going to start a new playlist and start working on Spark, and in the meantime I will also work on Pig and Apache Hive and keep on updating the existing playlist. So this is a new playlist and we are going to see about Apache Spark. So Apache Spark is the next generation technology. So this is much advanced than your Apache Hadoop. So we will see what are all the features of Apache Spark. So it is much faster and much more capable than your Hadoop because it is the next generation. So Hadoop, irrespective of the speed, it is still doing the operations on IO. So it needs a physical hard disk, and it does all the operations on IO, but Spark it does all the IO operations in RAM. So it is much more costlier than your Apache Hadoop, but the performance of the performance of Spark is 100 times better than Apache Hadoop. So that's why it is companies are preferring Apache Spark more than Apache Hadoop nowadays, and it is gaining more and more popularity. And I don't want to go very much in depth in this video. It is just a very high level introduction to Apache Spark, and I'm going to use Apache Spark 1.6.0 version because in Cloudera VM CDH 5.7 it supports 1.6.0 version. So that's the reason I'm going for it. So I'll be either working on we have either the Scala API or Java API or Python API, but I'll be mostly working on either Python or Scala. Not much into Java. So mostly the organizations either prefer either Scala or Python. So in order to invoke Scala, you have to type Spark shell and hit an enter. Let me check whether it's up and running. Maybe I can quit and come back my terminals and then again. So type Spark shell and py spark. So py spark will invoke your Python API version of your Spark, and Spark shell will invoke. It should maybe some issues and I need to restart, or check whether Spark is down, or if any issues I need to restart the services. So there is no issue, but yep, Spark shell has invoked and it is executing with version 1.6.0. It is a VM, so please bear with me, and lots and lots of services are up and running, so my machine can handle only up to certain level, and beyond a point it struggles. So py spark version that is also executing. So these are all the two ways we can invoke your Spark and work on it. And I'm going to just walk through from quick start and Spark programming guide. I'm going to work on. So this is the beauty of this particular the Spark documentation. You can either select your Scala API or Java API or Python API. So accordingly the entire documentation will follow that pattern. So if you select Scala, you will be seeing only the Scala related documentation. So that's the beauty of it. And slowly we will dig very deep into Apache Spark, and let's try to complete this Spark programming guide in some 10-20 maximum by 20 videos, and then we'll move on to Spark streaming, and data frame is something new concept, and we'll slowly move on to machine learning library and all these features, graphics, and Spark R. So R is the new API they have added along with Java, Scala, and Python. So we will see each and everything in Apache Spark, and let's learn together. And this is it for this video. If you like, please click like, share it to your friends, and subscribe. Thank you so much.